So we are here at Terraport, grabbing a transfer case, and I was actually here yesterday and got everything but three bolts, three nuts, and yeah, it's snowing, it's fun, gonna be wet. We are grabbing ourselves a barrel, lucky number 7. And we're gonna walk off over and get this transfer case. Walking over to get it apart. I love coming to junkyards, it's fun. I used to come here a lot with my dad, looking for Jeep parts. As a matter of fact, at this same Terraport, way back there by that white van back there, there was a Jeep that I ended up getting locker axles out of about 10 years ago. I wasn't putting them on YouTube at the time, but was definitely having fun out here. I ended up actually getting yoke slip eliminator kit. We're looking for 15. But anyway, yoke slip eliminator kit, and drive shaft for the rear on it, blockers front and rear. That Jeep, we called it the Silverback Gorilla, and then I ended up putting it on its roof coming home from four-wheeling one day on flag ground. It sucked. I was doing stuff I shouldn't have. Put the Jeep on its roof. Anyway, we are here. And it's that blue Jeep right there that we're going to be finishing pulling the transfer case on. Yesterday I was here, like I said, and I got everything but the 3 nuts on this side that hold it on. But yeah, get that out of here and be on our way to actually put it in the Jeep. Ratcheting wrenches. Ratcheting wrenches are very, very valuable. If I would have had a ratcheting wrench yesterday, this would have been done. And we should be done here in just a few. We've got the transfer case off. Now let's get out of here. You sign a liability thing if you're coming in here tearing your own parts, so it is on you if you injure yourself. Don't go shaking around a vehicle that's sitting on jack stands. Sitting on these, they hold them great. It's a great jack stand, but just be careful when you're in these places. Like I said, I love going to junkyards. It's fun. You find parts for your Jeeps, or you can find some decent parts. You can find some decent parts for your own vehicle that are less than buying them at the auto parts store if you're short on cash. But over here they have some 1-ton Chevys with some 14 bolts in them. And I want to get 1-tons in both my Jeeps. So there's probably going to be videos coming up with me doing exactly that. Me, I personally prefer GM over Ford, and I've seen people who use Ford 1-tons underneath Jeeps, but I've also seen them use GMs. The reason why we are replacing this transfer case is because it is, yeah, it's broken half. It is completely broke. You can't see it without the light. Completely broken half. Take this rear drive shaft out, and hopefully that doesn't just fall, because it's gonna fall.
You like that?
That is awesome.
Wish you guys could see this. Well, you might be able to if I can bend this enough, but no. Hey, but it works.
That's freaking cool. Maybe we'll just do that.
Yeah.
No one.
That's great. That's ingenious.
Kind of lucky that switches to it. Yep, you need to go there for a second. Please be nice and spin and rotate. Or don't.
This is bad.
A lot worse than I thought, that's for sure. Oh God.
Wow.
And that's the inside of a transfer case. 231 for a Jeep. That had a crack in it. All this stuff would not be rusty. It would be full of freaking. They want Mopar wants ATF +4, but you don't have to have ATF +4 as long as it's a synthetic. There's shift lever. That goes in there. Definitely got to keep those ones. No, we don't want to tighten. Why are you? Because you put it on there backwards. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammer's on the mic. If you are my age, that song you just might like. Or have listened to once or twice. That completely dated me, didn't it? I really don't know if I want to take the front drive shaft out completely or push it into the spot where it's supposed to go as I'm putting the transfer case up. While I'm doing stuff, I am thinking like 5 steps ahead. We'll just go with that. Routine maintenance is an absolute necessity on any car. It doesn't matter what car it is. If you treat the car good, it will treat you good. If you treat it badly, that happens. So if you like having your cars, love your cars. Routine maintenance, people. So I'm just checking to make sure that there's no grooves, no big grooves. For that seal on the back of that transmission to ride on, making sure that this seal is nice and squishy. Anyway, and then, oh, the fluid is dark in this thing. Will you spin that output shaft? There we go. Now it's just reverse of the process and get it back together. Out that the transfer case we got, I didn't look. All this sensor does is tell the dash to light up a light that says 4-wheel drive's engaged. And this plastic piece is broke off of it. So I have to swap that out. I don't know who needs to know this, but I'm pretty sure that Jiffy Lube, people at Jiffy Lube, any other quick lube place, these don't need to be that goddamn tight. You get them snug, quarter of a turn, that's it. You don't have, they're actually supposed to stick out like this one is sticking out. And that is tight. Rammed all the way down in there, that's gonna strip it, getting it out. 1,000 subscriber giveaway, don't forget about that. Leave a comment, because we're gonna grab 3 people from the comments and give away some stuff. Thanks for watching. What a wonderful day.
Done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.